I'm Sai Sudha, the CEO of the newly proposed self-regulatory organization for the fintech sector of India. I'm very happy and honored to have the formal launch, inaugural launch of the proposed SRO at Startup Mahakumbh in Delhi today. Startup Mahakumbh is the world's largest startup and innovation showcase festival. And for the launch of this national endeavor, which is the SRO in the fintech sector, to take place in such a landmark event, we are currently working to secure the recognition from the regulator RBI. Today, we stand as the fastest growing SRO in the fintech space. India Fintech Foundation logo and the name was unveiled by two of eminent dignitaries of India that the country has seen. One is Shri Amitabh Kant, India's G20 Sherpa and the former CEO of Niti Aayog. Second is N.S. Vishwanathan sir, who was the ex-deputy governor of the RBI and the current non-executive chairman of the board of Axis Bank. What we as India Fintech Foundation, the SRO, stand for is for three important things. One, reduce the burden of the state, the regulators, reduce the burden of the fintech players, and reduce the burden and protect my consumers. This is number one. Number two, how do I foster innovation? How do I foster innovation for the fintech sector across all its subsectors? Now, I would also like to mention, would be a good time for me to mention, this SRO will be representing the entire diverse gamut of the subsectors in the fintech space. The third thing that we are working towards is ensuring sustainable growth and governance in the fintech sector, and ensuring this growth across all the players in the ecosystem as well. So these are the top three things we can sort of work on. Today we have about close to 100 members in the SRO, and it's a rapidly and a very fast growing organization, and we are working to procure the license from the RBI to be recognized as an official SRO entity as well. Today, the Indian fintech space is large. We are the fourth largest economy, soon to be the third. We have about 10,000 plus fintech firms and financial services firms, of which at least 3,000 are active members in the fintech space. We are working towards reaching an 8 trillion economy in the next 4 to 5 years. And needless and without a doubt, I can tell you, fintech is going to play a significant role in contributing towards our Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Viksit Bharat. And as an SRO, we hope to play a good role is ensuring we are able to make it easy, standardized, and right for the fintech players and the consumers, while keeping in mind the requirements of the regulators of our nation. Such an honor to be here and speak with you. Thank you so much.